your favorite songs, and suddenly you drive over a pothole and all your peace is gone.
Imagine the wastage of a prime resource during the non-prime time. Yes, I'm indeed talking about the wastage of electricity used in streetlights when the roads are empty.
Together, we tried to find a reasonable solution for these problems. The scope here is simply unlimited. We did some research and found out that after a pothole is formed, it grows at an alarming rate. Therefore, we have designed our pit filling car to fill a pothole when it has just formed. We anticipate the size of a newly formed pothole to be about 10 centimeters. I guess it's true what they say. A stitch in time saves 9. As for the streetlights, there is a mandate that every third streetlight has to remain permanently on. We are currently aiming at the only thing we can play around with, that is, the reduction of power in 66% of the streetlights present on a road.
Our project involves the integration of two separate ideas: motion sensing streetlights and a vehicle that can repair potholes. The motion sensing streetlights are activated by a motion sensor and illuminate the street when movement is detected. In addition to this, we have developed a vehicle that can repair potholes by filling them with a special mixture made from plastic, bitumen, and cement. The aim of our project is to reduce electricity consumption and minimize plastic waste, while also addressing the issue of potholes in a low cost and efficient manner. We have also conceptualized a design for our project, and we are currently exploring ways to effectively remove any waste or water that may be present in the potholes prior to filling them with our mixture. By combining these two ideas, we hope to create a project that is not only beneficial for the environment but also helps to improve road safety and reduce the cost of road maintenance.
Our prototype is made to give a clear demonstration of the project for better understanding to everyone. This is intended mainly for external use to benefit the public. It is a simple prototype which is not hampering any public movement at night rather than helping save money and energy. This prototype is manually made from cardboard and wood. In our motion sensor streetlight, the overall cost of one module will be approx 500 rupees. The split is as follows. The metal body will be around rupees 50, the circuit board will be around rupees 200, and the ultrasonic or the infrared sensor will be around rupees 250. So in our pit filling car, the cost of transportation, cement, slag, asphalt binder, bitumen, packaging and profit. The cost of one sack which contains 30 kg of pothole mix and also a big bottle of asphalt binder. The cost of the project is rupees 350. After including the cost of the car, the project will be around rupees 5,350 rupees.